Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all having an absolutely great day. I always forget to double check my teeth before I start filming. Anyway, so I got some new ColourPop makeup and I want to make a cute, I'm just going to do like a cute kind of pinky, maybe, I'm not really sure yet, but I want to try these glosses right here. So this is the Luxe Lip Vault. I just want to pop one on right now so that my lips don't look like shit during the tutorial. So this one is called Candy Kiss. I love their lip oils, or their lip glosses. I prefer the glosses to the oil because I like a thick, sticky gloss. That is too cute. Okay. For eyes, I got this palette right here. This is the Ménage à Moi Pressed Powder Palette. I feel like doing a little ASMR taps here, so don't mind me, but I just thought that this was really cute. I think this is their holiday collection. Oh, how adorable is that? Should I do a little swatcheroo for y'all? Kind of crazy pigmented. I'm impressed, and oh, that color is so stunning. So I am starting out with No Drama, which is the darkest plummy purple burgundy red shade on the inner and outer corner of my eye. And then slowly blending it out and adding Obsession as well as Novel and Total Flirt to get a really blown out smoky grungy look. I'm gonna put a little bit of No Drama down here on the lower lash line as well. And then blend out with Novel. I want a little bit of lightness on my lid, so I'm going to take a teensy bit of concealer on a little brush like this, and I'm just going to pat that on the middle of the lid, making sure that it ends up looking really blended. I don't want it to look too much like a cut crease, you know? Sometimes I regret having the long nails on. And I'm kind of going all the way up the lid. I don't know why this eye is looking like ass and this one is turning out the way I want it to, but you just have to roll with it. I'm gonna pop some white eyeliner in my waterline. So I am doing a huge winged eyeliner. I didn't plan on it, but I couldn't get them even. What was the point of building up all of that shadow if I'm just going to cover it with black? You tell me. I'm going to add a little extra eyeliner in my inner corner. I've been into the Huda Beauty Legit lashes lately. Not that you're going to be able to see it because of the eyeliner. So I use the volume side on my upper lashes and then the curl and length on the lower. Look at that. Look at all my lower lashes. It looks so good. Okay. So let's try out this cute blush. This is called Secret Crush Pressed Powder Blush. Super cute, little on the nose. Oh my goodness. I'm going to try highlighting with a shade from the palette, because why not? Let's go into Thrillist. She chunky. Yeah, I knew it. That is gorge. The only problem for me with this is it is so chunky, glittery. It's everywhere. So I feel like I need to dust some of that excess off. But wow, that's such a cute, that's a really cute highlighter. Okay, not sure what I want to do for my lips. I'm gonna try lining with Oh Snap by Colourpop. And then I'm gonna try Mauve Outta Here. Mauve Outta Here by Wet n Wild. Nope, nope, nope. Ooh, okay, perfect. This is Cream Soda by Ink of Elation. Is this cute or do I look like a blow-up doll? I'm gonna add some darkness to it with eyeshadow. I'm using No Drama and Obsession. And then let's just top it off with gloss because that's looking really dry. Let's just use Candy Kiss again. Okay, so here's the finished look. Decided to change and accessorize a little bit. And I want to try a dark lip just for shits and giggles. So I'm going in with Ofra Bordeaux. Ooh, okay. Dark lip looks amazing. There is the finished look, y'all, with the dark lip. I hope you love this tutorial. I love this look so much. Let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you. Bye.